Hello, in this video I will show you how to grab all the pictures from the Microsoft Word, our PowerPoint, our publisher. So, for example, you have a document and you have, let's go to you have 4 pictures in the Word document, okay? So if you want to save a single picture, you just click that and right click, save as picture. But if you want to save all the pictures at the same time, you can do, let's save the document first. So what you can do is go to the picture, go to the desktop. So go to this document. So now you can see it's let me maximize it. So now you can see it's a Word document. So you need a save it as a zip document. Do you want to change it? That's unusable. Okay, are you sure you want to change it? Yes. Oh, in this case, I need to close the document first. And try again. Do you want to rename? Yes. Okay. After rename it, right click to extract all. Extract. Now you open the document, you can see under Word there is a media folder, and within the media folder you can see all the pictures there. You can copy it to anywhere you want. So make sure you back up the original Word document first, then you can change the file extension to ZIP. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.